Today we will show you how to do handbrake setup on your dirt bike or on your supermoto or on your street bike, because the basic are the same. Here we have UCF pit bike. We got their 150cc engine and we got this bike from Minimoto Racing. Thanks a lot. And after that we're gonna tune it up with the Uber tape, and after that we're gonna sell this bike on our web store or on an upcoming super awesome bike expo called MP Messut, and it's the biggest bike expo in Finland. Was it like last week? Guy from Lapland came here and bought that Honda 125 Honda, and was it like 1,250? Yeah, 1,250. So that was the price what we got from that Honda. And the handbrake what we're gonna use on this bike is here. This brake is from that electric KTM. But if you wanna do a handbrake on your street bike or on your supermoto, big ass supermoto, you need bigger brake caliper. But this small brake caliper is just enough for this pit bike right here. This is an original rear brake adapter. We're gonna weld this flat iron somewhere here, make it pretty of course. Then this brake caliper comes somewhere here. It's simple. It's perfect. Tony Hawk, what up?
Here Juha is designing our wheelie bar system.
Ultimate wheelie bar system.
We want to do this wheelie bar that way that if you want to take it off, you can take it off.
Oh!
Mitä vittu?
There was very hot iron in my hand!
Up in the ass of Timo.
Up in the hand of Juha. Oh shit!
Ei jumala.
Holy fuck it up!
Ei vittu.
Not so bad.
Very good job.
There was a broken.
Very professional building.
Feels good.
Now we have to just weld it better and paint it. Paint it black. There we go. Simple wheelie bar done, and now we're gonna do the handbrake setup, and this is what you need. Brake caliper. If you have a chance to get one what is designed on the left side like that, it's always good. Then you need a brake hose, couple banjo bolts. First we're gonna set it up and bleed the air out of the system, out of the brake system. Then we're gonna put the brake caliper to this brake disc. Then we're gonna weld it here. Because original brake adapter was steel, so we're gonna use steel and it's easy to weld there. But if sometimes it's aluminium, so you need to do this new a handbrake adapter from aluminium, and you need to have aluminium welder.
Anything happen?
Now there isn't air anymore, and the plan is that we're gonna squeeze the brake, and then we're gonna see where we need to weld this, because the brake caliper needs to be perfectly on that blade. Because if we weld it just like this and then start using it, it's not completely straight. Yep.
Beautiful.
You see here is the street bike's handbrake setup. The brake hose goes here. And here we have the Brembo brake calipers. Good and powerful handbrake. It's a little bit small looking brake caliper after those Brembos. But anyway, the idea how the handbrake works is exactly the same as we have on that Kawasaki.
We have new traffic. It's already much more better. So, you can buy this bike from our web store. What was the price?
2,150 maybe.
Okay, that's good. 2,150. This is completely new bike. We have only test run it. Works good. So the new bike New bike like this costs 1,900 euros, so we will sell this by 2,150. It's fun looking bike, works perfect, and now there is stunt modifications, and if nobody wants to buy it, we'll ride it ourselves. Yeah, good job.
It's so fun. Good job.
Good
Thank
job,
you.
guys. Very good job. Stunt pit bike. And thanks for watching our stunt pit bike video. Very awesome, very fast.